This 7-day, 2-dose multi-med card is perfect for seniors, caregivers, and pharmacies, even for your pets on a drug regimen. If you need to take multiple medications 2 times a day, then this is the perfect disposable card for you. Your card can be used for any 2 time periods of the day. Make it morning and bedtime, or afternoon and evening, or any combination. To assemble your 7-day 2-pass multi-med card, you'll need a card, a filling template, a roller, and a blister. For this patient, 5 medications are taken each day, 4 of them once a day and 1 twice a day. Place the filling template on the table. Remove the pressure-sensitive liner from the bottom of the card. Place the card on the sealing template and insert the blister. You'll notice that the information on the inside of the card corresponds with the same information printed on the front of the card. For this patient, dose 1 will be a morning dose, and dose 2 will be a bedtime dose. Our first medication is taken in the morning, so dose 1. Our second medication is also taken in the morning, so dose 1. Our third medication is taken at bedtime, so dose 2. Our fourth medication is also taken at bedtime, so dose 2. Our final 5th medication is taken at both morning and at bedtime, so both dose 1 and dose 2. Once filled, fold the card over and use the roller to securely seal the card. It's that quick and easy. Your 1-week, clean, disposable 7-day, 2-pass multi-med card is filled and ready to use. If you want to, you can add morning and bedtime labels, either handwritten or printed. It's easy to push your finger through the foil backing to release the pills into your hand. But there is an easier way. The Pill Bob is an easy-to-use tool for dispensing your medications. Push the serrated tip upwards through the foil, sweep the blister, and meds just drop into the cup. Using this medication packaging solution can drastically improve the life of the patient and provide peace of mind for their loved ones or caregivers.